DMV Drywall LLC. It's often hidden, but your building's drywall plays a major role in how your interior surfaces look. Without professional drywall installation, your new market property's appearance could change dramatically, showing cracks, dents, holes, and countless other blemishes. DMV Drywall proudly offers high-quality commercial drywall and related services across the DMV area, District of Columbia, Maryland, and Northern Virginia. Our primary services include the installation of metal stud framing and drywall, acoustical and drywall ceilings, and building insulation for both new and remodeled properties. We also offer add-on services that include light interior demolition and the installation of doors, frames, and hardware. With DMV Drywall LLC, you'll have a local pro perfectly capable of expert installation, repair, and more. For more information, please visit our website, www.dmvdrywall.com, or contact us through phone 301-233-7387. You can visit our office, 10633 Nathaniel Way, New Market, MD, 21774. DMV Drywall LLC.